No! Once again, Judy's being a brat, but she's still really pretty, so it doesn't matter to me. At least Kevin.
Let's go beat up right inside the pool.
No, do you want me to get the cow for babies to bite you again, Daddy? Oh my God, Kevin's chasing after me. If he even comes near me, I'm gonna go get the cow for babies to bite him. That little rascal. Well, whatever. I guess I'm gonna go inside now because everyone's being mean to me. I hate the world, but I don't hate the neighborhood squirrels. I love them. Well, I guess I'm back inside now. I just got an honor from Kevin. Fred, don't ever ask Judy to go swimming with you again. She's mine. What in the world is he talking about? For your information, Judy said she's currently single. Whatever. Oh, and by the way, I'm really mad at Kevin because he butted after me. And tonight on my second, they were really expensive and now they're really cheap. But why did I have to spend more money than Kevin? Gosh. Okay, well, since I'm really mad, I think I'm gonna go because I don't want to take all my anger out on you. Bye. Kevin is fat. He abuses cats. He kisses dolls. He also plays with train cars. Loser.